Дедушка.
Six ships break Russia's Black Sea blockade. They have flouted Russia's threats, and an Israeli one was the first to enter the Ukrainian branch of the Danube. A US P-8 anti-ship aircraft is ensuring their safety. And this will be interesting. The chief of Wagner, Prigozhin, is announcing his race for the president next year, if he survived for 1 year.
Когда все струсили, он один шел вперед. Когда все врали, он один говорил правду. Когда все терпели ничтожество, он первым выступил против и собственным примером показал, как должна действовать подготовленная армия. А когда враги брызгали слюной и кричали на Москву, он единственный сохранил честь, не поддался на провокации врагов России, сберег жизни воинов и гражданских. Евгений Пригожин, сильный лидер России.
Meanwhile, 6 fighters from PMC Wagner surrendered to Polish border guards and asked for political asylum at the border crossing in Brzostowica on the Polish-Belarusian border. Belarusian border guards did not oppose their actions. 2 more tanks are captured by Ukraine. Russia remains biggest arms supplier of Ukraine. The cruise ship Astoria Grande, with several hundred tourists from Russia, docked again this morning in the Georgian port of Batumi. She had been there once before and left early due to protests. Today was the same. The company subsequently deleted the stop in Batumi from other cruises. In the suburbs of Moscow, 2 pensioners set fire to the military registration and enlistment office. Both are detained. By the way, in the Russian Federation today is a total day of burnt-out military registration and enlistment offices. In Kaluga, a 77-year-old pensioner threw a Molotov cocktail through the window of the military registration and enlistment office and threatened with a grenade during the arrest. In St. Petersburg, a man threw 2 bottles of hot mixture at the door of the military registration and enlistment office, and then got into the car and began to ram the gate into the courtyard. In Omsk, telephone scammers forced a woman to set fire to the military enlistment office so that they would not take a loan for her. Ukrainian mobile anti-tank unit carrying tasks in one of the front lines.
Наш підрозділ виконує завдання на танконебезпечних ділянках та на стиках між батальйонами, та де потрібна допомога боротьби з танками. Підрозділ завжди впорюється своїм завданням, виходячи з того, чи є місцевість для того, чи не є. Працюємо з протитанкових засобів, такі як «Джавелін», «Фагот» та «Стугна-П». За певний період знищили близько 6 одиниць техніки на данішньому ділянці місцевості. В загальному знищено понад 40 одиниць техніки. 6 так особисто моя заслуга, це були і БМП, легкоброньовані автомобілі та танки. Максимальна відстань, що в нашому підрозділі це зафіксовано, це 5600, це була «Стугна-П», мінімальна 700 метрів. Найкраще горить танк, коли в нього багато орків і багато БК. Або БМП, коли забита повністю піхотою, коли вони йдуть на штурм і розлітаються повністю все. І ноги, і руки, і прекрасно, коли гірлянди на деревах. Мотивація, щоб Україна була незалежна та знищити чим побільше ворога.
Leopard 2A6 fighting in the Zaporizhzhia direction. At the end of the video, there is an explosion near the tank, presumably by a kamikaze drone, but it did very little damage to the tank. Video of Russians refueling a couple BMPs in the Crimea. Note how the fuel truck is camouflaged as a logging truck. It is also not normal for someone to be holding a gun like that and looking down the sights for the 10 minutes it takes to refuel. They are focused on a narrow field of view, not sweeping left to right, and would be better off just looking around with their eyes. This is how infantry acts when they don't know how to act. My guess is they are cosplay actors who follow the cameraman around. This is what we're fighting for. "20,000 Ukrainian recruits have been trained at the UK-led training program. Operation Interflex is giving Ukrainian recruits the skill sets needed to be a survivable and lethal force on the front line against Russian aggression. The UK continues to stand with Ukraine."
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.